I got a facial yesterday. My skin feels real good. I need to take care of my skin better. It's a work in progress, I promise. Okay, so I sat down. Why do I say so much? I got up this morning, sat down to film a makeup tutorial, but then I realized that my brushes that I want to use are dirty, and so are my sponges. So I decided that I'm first going to clean them, and I figured I would let you know how I do it. I'll tell you how I used to, and then I'll tell you how I do it now. I used to use Dawn and water. Well, first I used to use Dawn and olive oil to like kind of moisturize them, but then I just felt like that was an extra step, an extra product, and I wasn't always sure that it was like coming out all the way, like getting clean. Not getting clean, but you know what I mean, like there wasn't any residue, it was rinsing off all the way. So then I just went to Dawn, and then now pure Castile soap. You can get this anywhere. I get it from, where did I get this from? I get it from this cute little wellness lounge that's in my area, but you can get it wherever. I'm pretty sure they carry it at like Meijer, Whole Foods, any place like that. So I just get the unscented. You can get whatever scent you want. I like unscented because it just doesn't add extra, you know, to my stuff. And then I also have these big cups. They're actually from the movie theater when we get like big slushies. And I just save them and use them to clean my brushes with. So what I'll do is I'll fill this with warm water. I'll put a little bit of this in there, and then I just dump them upside down and let them soak for like 20 minutes. Just depends, like I'll do whatever I need to do. Just don't leave them in there too long because the water like soaks up into the wood. So like if you leave it down too long, the water will soak up here and it'll break your brushes because it's wood in here. Okay, so first I am just throwing all of my brushes and sponges into those big cups that I mentioned. And then I'm going to add the Castile soap. You can do just a couple drops. It doesn't need a lot because a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. That's why I love it so much, because it lasts forever. After that, I'm just going to add warm water. I don't recommend like super hot, but just warm enough, if you know what I mean, right in the middle. After they sit in the warm water and soak for a little bit, I'm just going to take them out and scrub them with this lipstick brush cleaner little mat thing. If you don't have one of these, they are actually super cheap. You can find them at Walmart, Ulta, a bunch of places have them, and they're inexpensive. After that, we are all clean. I don't know about you, but not many things make me happier than clean brushes. I have seen a hack on Instagram that someone puts all of their brushes and sponges in the washer. And I just don't know how I feel about that. It just makes me nervous. So I haven't tried that yet. If you have, let me know. But I just would be terrified to try that. What if it like just destroys all my brushes? So I don't know. And then I feel like it's like wasting water because you're using all that water on just like a bag of brushes. I don't know. But if you've tried it and it worked, let me know. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this little tips, tricks, cleaning video. And I'll see you in my next one.